Today we're going to be giving Brendan Schaub a ride along in the Drift Fox and the Drift Cat.
Ready? Let's do it, dog.
Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. So, we are here at Overkill Performance. We got a lot of horsepower out here today. We got the Drift Cat, 1,000 horsepower red eye, a couple of TRXs right here. We got the Drift Fox. Today, we're going to be giving Brendan Schaub a ride along in, I think, the Drift Fox and the Drift Cat. If you don't know who that is, funny ass comedian, funny ass podcaster. Make sure you guys go check him out, subscribe, all that stuff. This is his new TRX. He's getting a OP 900 package, I believe, from Overkill here. We're gonna take him on a ride along of some of these monsters that Overkill has built. So have you ever been drifting or anything like that before?
No.
Donuts?
Nope.
Burnouts?
Nope.
No?
I mean, we did donuts. We grew up in Denver, so we do them in the snow.
Okay, yeah.
Like our mom's Toyota Camry.
We all start the same way.
Yeah.
We all start the same fucking way.
I've been a car guy.
Yeah.
As far as like document stuff, like I have a GT2 RS tuned out.
Oh, no shit?
Yeah, I've had, I mean, you name it, man. Ferraris. Yeah,
Fuck
big
yeah.
car guy, yeah.
Hell yeah. Corsa exhaust intake, is that all you've done?
Yeah, that's it. Corsa exhaust and the JMB intake. Yeah, that's it.
I thought this was a wrap when you first got it too.
It's
That's
a
paint.
Sandblast edition.
That
Yeah.
shit's fucking tight.
It's that Ken Block.
I used to have the same color on that car wrap, but the like satin version.
Oh, dope.
It was tight. Yeah, it's like a chocolate
Chocolate.
brown. See if you can squeeze in there. Seat goes back.
I gotta get in like a race car?
Nah, you really gotta pull the handle.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna have to drop like a fucking
Ricky Bobby it. Yeah.
Oh damn, they take the steering wheel off?
Yeah.
Oh, we could do this. Oh yeah, this is easy. This interior is dope.
Straight race car.
Yeah, straight
race car. It's fun as fuck.
I bet, man.
You wanna turn it on? Alright.
Here?
I think we're dead. I don't know. Yeah. The blue button.
The blue button?
Blue button.
Ready?
Give her some juice. Bring it to like 4:45.
That thing's like a banshee.
So yeah, we'll take you for a ride in this thing a little later.
Crazy, yeah. Kill me,
Nah, you're good. I promise.
Like this.
That thing makes 850 to the wheel.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you want to go for a ride right now or? All right. This has the OP 850 package. This is
850?
850. So it's 850 to the wheel. Definitely not set up to go fast.
Yeah.
Like this is a straight drag car or drift car, I mean. So it just spins the wheels, coilovers, all the shit. Simple. Like this setup is just upper pulley, injectors, E85, boost the pump, and tune.
Yeah, that's not too crazy.
Yeah, that's it. I did.
But why do they say you always have you have problems? Just because you go so hard on it? Yeah, like I've gone through 6 sets of axles, fucking like 3 drive shafts. This is the second. You gotta pay for it all yourself. Yeah, this is the second motor and trans. I don't know. I drive my shit. You know, some people baby their stuff. Oh, yeah.
I like to drive my shit. got hurt.
That's good.
But like, just like fender benders, like little wall taps and shit like that. If you bring up my name in the Dodge community or on Instagram or whatever, they'll say I'm like the best Hellcat driver.
Oh, I'm aware, man. I know this. That shit was dope.
So yeah, that's what I do.
Tires are fucked, but that shit was dope.
I just put a brand new set on. We're good. We're good.
Thank you, bro.
Fuck yeah.
Wheels are burning. My boy's the real freaking deal over there. He's Mr. Drifter, man. I felt safe too. I knew I was nervous to go. I felt safe.
Everyone says that. It makes me feel so good. Everyone feels safe when they get in the car. Now when we get in that car,
yeah, that thing looks like a death trap.
It might get a little scary.
Yeah. And he gets his ass on Fast and Furious.
See that shit was tight?
That was dope.
Fuck yeah.
That's fucking sick.
Appreciate it,
you got
bro.
skills, dog.
Thank you, man. Yeah, one day we'll have to bring you out on the racetrack.
Oh, I'd love that.
Do some fourth gear drifting.
What exhaust do you have on that?
So completely straight piped. I got a carve-in X pipe with race mufflers, and then just the tips.
That's your daily.
Yeah.
How do you get by the North Korea, California government?
All right, now we're hopping in the Transformer cat. Greedy driving.
Yep. That's the drone that can change your street. That's the 500.
Damn right it is. God damn.
And if I get on it with full power.
Yeah, they got some goodies at shop too. There's the Overkill R8, Marks, Scat Pack, Whipple Scat, 4.5 Whipple Hawk.
The current world record holder for the 4.5 Whipple, a record that we set in a test pass.
Around how much power does this make? Because I know dude doesn't want specific numbers out there, but range.
Over or under 1600?
Under 60.
But over 1,000.
Over 1,000, of course.
I mean, come on, man, come on.
We know that, you know. We know from Jensen's clickbaits, everything's got to be 1,000.
Everything's 1,000, especially when something's super shiny like this. Like a 8-second GTR with like 1,700 horsepower. Look at this exhaust. Look at this damn exhaust. That's the prettiest exhaust I've ever seen. And then we got, this is the Dad Hawk, right? Yeah. Dad Hawk. Haven't seen this in a while, but
Yeah, the bad dad.
the Bad Dad. This is not normal for a track hawk. Twin Terpskis on the Hawk. So we'll start this here in a second. So this is not your average track hawk by any means.
We worked with the guys over at Nitrous Outlet, did full nitrous fuel rails. It's a 400 shot setup. This was one of the biggest motors that TKM and Demon had ever put together. We'll say it's around 440 to maybe 455 cubic inch motor. Full built everything, and it's gnarly. You guys ready to hear it?
Let's hear this one.
We'll double check. We'll double check.
Not your average Jeep.
No.
Crazy.
Yeah.
This is not a Jeep.
Yeah.
This is not a G.
It's not just a G.
Not regular.
You know, so you know the goals for this project is somewhere like 1800 horsepower.
That's it.
Just to start.
No, that shit's gonna be fast as fuck.
You know what I'm saying? That's not crank. That's full on horsepower. And just have fun. You know.
All right, so we're about to take this out, do a nice little launch in this thing. You do some funny ass face.
Oh! Disneyland ride. Holy fuck. Holy fuck, this thing is fast.
Just try it's like normal, guys. We're gonna go get Chipotle again, guys.
I couldn't talk.
Round two, we need some more protein in there.
I thought you were kind of joking when you were like, be prepared with the camera.
Oh, yeah.
No,
Holy fuck.
That's why I was like, I didn't want to go too crazy on the launch, just kind of something soft, but yeah. That's
God.
Yeah.
Brennan's TRX in here. Gonna do a number of things. Springs, OP900.
OP900.
Then you're gonna go do donuts and jump it.
Donuts. I'm gonna do donuts like you. Just ruining tires.
Fuck yeah, fuck these tires.
Yeah, fuck these things.
These tires.
Stock ass tires. What's up, fam? So I need some help. We have some conflict opinions here. I need your guys' help. Do I go with the 20-inch rim with 37 tires? Let's fly on this Ignite orange TRX here, or do I go with 18's smaller rim with 37 tires? So bigger, a lot more tire, smaller rim, or a lot more rim, pretty big tire. You tell me.
Now we're gonna do a pull in the OP900 TRX, show Brennan what his is gonna be like, because he's getting the exact same package. Let's do a quick launch in this thing.
Oh, God damn.
A little different than stock, huh?
Bro, what are we gonna do? You got this yacht. This land yacht, god damn, that was nuts.
It's all performance. Twin turbo, 6.0, LS swap, box body, rear car, rear mounted, radiator setup, etc. It's hideous, but we're getting it running. We're gonna do some test pulls, and after it's done, we're gonna get it painted. Pretty light.
Ready?
Let's do it, dog.
Fuck yeah.
Godspeed, fellas.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Here, watch out, watch out.
Are you trying to clear it out?
Yeah.
That shit was nuts. No.
Shit's fun as fuck.
Skill, dog. I thought this bitch was on fire for a second. I couldn't see.
Yeah, the fucking smoke. No more tire.
Wow.
We're all out of tire.
You can feel it?
Yep. No more tire.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. Glad you enjoyed it.
Tires.
Yeah. I could tell she was getting hella low.
And I thought we were on fire. I was like, I'm in this fucking. Hey, man.
All right, so 1 out of 10.
I give you 10, dog.
10?
10.
Fuck yeah.
That shit was nuts.
Nice.
Nuts.
Hell yeah.
Drift Fox is nasty. Drift Fox is nasty. Next step, now that it's working really good, is we're gonna make it pretty.
That smoke
Yep.
was.
So we're gonna work, you know, like I
I
said,
thought the car was on fire.
we're gonna see what's coming up. You know, we're gonna work with some sponsors and get a livery going, and then we'll kind of go from there. You know,
sir.
maybe we'll get some thick boy whiskey on the side of it.
Yeah, we'll see.
You know, I'm
Okay,
just
son.
saying. You know, we might have to.
That would be dope as fuck. And we're taking it to a huge event coming up. Not gonna tell you what just yet, but stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching. That's pretty much gonna be the end of this video. Make sure you guys go follow and subscribe to Overkill Performance. Make sure you guys go follow and subscribe to Brendan Schaub if you're not already. I'm sure you are. If you're not, you're slipping. But yeah, thank you to guys here at Overkill. That's the end of this video. See you guys in the next one. Doses. Cool.
In Las Vegas victory lane for Fox Television. Ricky Bobby, today's big winner. Heck of a win for you today, but it seems as if you either win or crash the car trying to win.
Well, Dak, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence, and nobody can hang with my stuff. You know, I'm just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first,
The bumper
you're last.
kind of good there,
You know,
my guy.
what I'm talking about? That phrase, trademark, not produced for Ricky Bobby.
They didn't see nothing.